Welcome back to the channel. Now today we are going to make the legendary dessert style cocktail called the Mudslide. Now the drink was created back in the 70s and it hasn't really changed all that much over time. However, if you were to get online and look up a recipe, you probably would find that the drink comes in two different styles. Now the first style is the blended version of the drink, and that's usually made with ice cream, which makes it a little bit like a milkshake. But the second style of the drink, which is the version that we're going to be making today, is the classic shaken presentation. It's super easy to make, you don't need a blender, and it's just 4 ingredients. And those begin with the spirit backbone of the drink, which is vodka. I'm using Tito's today. You could use any brand of vodka that you want. The main thing to keep in mind is you don't want to use a flavored vodka. The next ingredient that you're going to need is going to be a coffee liqueur. So I pretty much always use Kahlua when I make a mudslide, but any coffee liqueur will do. It's kind of up to you. Some are sweeter, some are less sweet, some have more caffeine. And the third ingredient is going to be Irish cream. Now I have a very large bottle of Kirkland Irish Country Cream that was donated by a friend to the channel. So shout out to Hefe, thanks a lot buddy, appreciate it. The last ingredient is going to be cream. Now this is what's going to help make the drink thick and rich. If you want a drink that's not quite as thick, you could always use milk or a half and half. Half and half being half cream, half milk. Now with my mudslides, I like to rim the glass with chocolate. So in order to do that properly, I usually start with a plate and some chocolate sauce. And the way I'm gonna do this is gonna prevent the glass from getting all goopy on the outside. So what I like to do is take a chocolate and put it right in the center of the plate. Not a lot, not a huge amount, okay? And then we're gonna take a glass and you're gonna place the glass over the chocolate and run the chocolate on the inside of the rim. So it goes over, takes a little bit of practice, but once you get it down, it works. And this chocolate's gonna run down the sides of the glass, kind of like a mudslide a little bit. Now, as I said, this is a shaken cocktail. So we're gonna start with a mixing tin. And to that, we're just gonna begin adding our ingredients. Now, what's really easy about this drink is it's all equal parts, or at least the way that I make it. So we'll start with our vodka, and we're gonna add 1 ounce to the mixing tin. Then we'll move on to our next ingredient, and we'll add our Kahlua. So we'll do 1 ounce. And then the Irish cream, the giant bottle that was given to us. We'll add 1 ounce of Irish cream. And finally, the last ingredient, which is gonna be our cream. We'll go ahead and add 1 ounce of the heavy cream. Once all the ingredients are in there, we're just gonna add some ice. And then we're just gonna give it a shake for about 10 seconds or so, just to get it all nice and mixed up. All right, oh yeah, good seal, good seal. So we'll just set that aside. And remember that glass that we rimmed? So we'll grab that. And as you can see, the chocolate has all run down along the side. And it's not on the outside, so clean finger, won't get chocolate all over your hands. And we'll just fill that up with ice. And we'll strain the cocktail up here. Pretty simple, straightforward. Just go in, it's a nice light tan color. The last thing we have to do is garnish with a little bit of shaved chocolate. So I'll just shave a little chocolate over the top. There we go. And that is a mudslide. So let's taste it and find out how we did. Yep. It's rich, creamy. The chocolate on the rim is just enough, not so much that it overpowers and makes everything taste like chocolate. You get a little hint of the coffee, but it's not terribly noticeable. The Irish cream is really what dominates this cocktail. The vodka is almost non-existent. You can feel it, but you can't taste it. So you gotta be careful with this. It's got a little bit of a punch. Anyway, this is it. That's the mudslide. We're done. Until we meet again, cheers.